and Steven up there at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we're working on Matt's Project Gojira, and we're working on these bad boys. Hope you can see that. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to use this bad boy right here to cut them out. See if I can get over there. Let's see. So it's on both sides. So that kind of sucks. I don't know what Steven's doing up there, but I guess he don't know I'm on camera. So, but the reason we're doing that is because they're in the way of the exhaust, which we're going to try and get done in the next couple weeks. So, all right, let's get to work.